Welcome to the Atomic Baker's Kitchen 4, where fall flavor meets vintage charm. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need pumpkin puree, cream cheese, softened butter. Now we just need some cinnamon and ginger and a pinch of nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla, 1 egg, and some flour. 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Oops, we can't forget the powdered sugar. In a large bowl, cream together butter and brown sugar until it's light and fluffy tuile, just like the start of any good cookie dough.
Then add your pumpkin, egg, and vanilla. Mix until smooth and golden orange.
Bowl, let's make our cheesecake center. Blend softened cream cheese with sugar and a splash of vanilla. In another bowl, mix together your flour, baking soda, and salt. Then you're going to mix your pumpkin batter with your flour mixture. Now for the fun part. Scoop the pumpkin dough onto your tray, leaving room for them to spread. Spoon in that creamy cheesecake filling. Bake at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. In that creamy center, the cheesecake filling bakes into the cookie, creating a texture that's downright irresistible. And there you have it, pumpkin cheesecake cookies, baked with a touch of nostalgia and a whole lot of heart. And join me next time for another sweet adventure from the Atomic Baker's Kitchen.